Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you navigate the internal components of your Dell XPS safely and efficiently. 1. Power off and prepare. Start by powering off your laptop completely. Unplug it from any power source and remove any external devices. This is crucial for your safety and the integrity of the device. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 2. Removing the back panel. Flip the laptop over to expose the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. There are typically 5 to 7 screws, depending on your model. 3. Lifting the panel. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. For identifying components, with the back panel removed, you'll see various components such as the hard drive, RAM, and battery. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these parts. If you plan to access the hard drive for data extraction, now is the time to do so. 5. Removing the hard drive. Locate the hard drive and disconnect it carefully. There might be additional screws holding it in place. Keep in mind that if you're unsure about this step, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. 6. Cleaning internal components. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and heat sinks. This can improve performance and extend the lifespan of your device. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid moisture buildup. 7. Reassembling the laptop. After you've finished extracting the information and cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the hard drive back in its slot and secure it with screws. Then, align the back panel and press down gently to snap it back in place. 8. Final steps. Finally, replace all screws you previously removed. Ensure they are tightened but not overly so, as this can strip the screws. If you prefer a hassle-free experience, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. 9. Testing. Power on your Dell XPS to ensure everything is working correctly. Check if your data is accessible and that the laptop is running smoothly. If you encounter any issues, our support is just a call away. No calls, no travel, we simplify the process for you. Following these steps will help you successfully extract information and maintain your Dell XPS laptop. Remember, taking care of your device can enhance its performance and longevity. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.